Hello everyone, my name is Suricha Sinha and I'm going to present my e-library management system website in this video. So this is the homepage of my e-library management system website, which has a navigation bar at the top with buttons like home, books, categories, login and register button. The next section I have on my homepage is a welcome message section, which also has two buttons, browse books and join now. I will be talking about this later. The next section we have is of featured books, where some of the books are shown which are added recently. Now the next is about why choose e-library, and then at the end we have a footer which has some of quick links and contact us options also. So now talking about this browse books option, here we have the list of our books, and from here we can search for any book. Like for example, if I search for this and press enter, here we can see that book. Or if not this, we can search through any category also. So that category book is also displayed over here. Once you click on view details, here you can see the adventures of the name of the book, the name of the author, the availability of the book, the category, ISBN, and the little description also, and the cover page of the book. Now, so as you can see, we need to click on this button which says login to borrow. Then only we can borrow this book, right? So before that, let's create a account on this. So this is the create account page. So where you can enter username. So let's say if I enter user, it displays username is already taken, so I cannot take this name. So let's take another name. Okay, user 10. Then we need to enter any email address over here. Okay, and then for the password section, we need to checklist all these options which are given over here. So let's do it. Done. From this option, you can also view the password. Okay, so now let's register. So once you register over here, you're redirected to this login page. So now let's log into our website. Okay, so once you log in here, the first thing you can do is to view your profile. Here it shows a username, your email, your role, and member since April 16th. Okay, so now next is the borrowed books and favorite books option. So once you are going to borrow a book or add any book to your favorites, it will be displayed over here. So in this browse books, let's say if I want to borrow this book, I click on view details. So 2 books out of 5 are available over here. So let's borrow this book. So now once I borrowed this book, and before reading this book, let's mark any book as our favorite. Let's say let's mark Little Women as our favorite. So now when we move to our My Book section, here in borrowed books, the book you borrowed is displayed, and in favorite books, the book you marked as favorite is displayed. So now let's read the book. So now once you click on read book, this interface opens where there's a cover page. This is the name of the book and the name of the author. And now this is the first page of the book. You can move to other pages through this option. As well as, let's say you read till here and you need to add a bookmark. You can add read till this page and enter. So now even if you move to any page, let's say even if I move to 100th page, whenever I will click on this bookmark, I will be redirected to the page number where the bookmark is. So here we are redirected to page number 5. This is about the reading interface. So now let's go back to the book. So now once, let's say you have completed the book and now you want to return the book. So when you return the book, you are redirected to a rating page where you can rate the book, write some review about it, and then you can submit the rating. So when you submit the rating, it is displayed over here, and you also have an option to update the rating if you want.